RACV is proud to be investing $200,000 over 2 years to help expand the reach of the Bike Ed program and get to more schools in Melbourne.
It's going to enable us to broaden the reach of our Bike Ed program and deliver it to more Victorian students. The Bike Ed program teaches road safety skills, so these students can use the bike for transport in their lives. It's targeted at upper primary level schools, so it teaches them and gives them the capability to use the bike for transport.
RACV is excited to be partnering with the Bicycle Network so we can provide the bike education program to more kids. The bike education program gives these kids great skills on how to handle and ride a bike safely that makes riding to school a real commuting option for them and their families.
Whether the kids are learning to ride for the first time or just to update their skills, things like wearing their bicycle helmets correctly or indicating the proper way, it's really vital that those skills are taught so our kids can travel actively to school.
Our long-term vision is to provide safe infrastructure and safe streets so that every child has the opportunity to ride to school safely and to use the bike for transport. Our collaboration with RACV is a crucial component for us to be able to deliver our goals and give every child in Victoria the opportunity to ride a bike to school